Hello, these are my new clock boards. I always loved clocks and I have a bunch of them in my room. I wanted to make a clock that can be used as night clock. These displays are great for that because they are visible at night because the light they emit. Now I can put them near my bed and check time in the middle of the night. I don't need to turn on the screen of my mobile phone anymore. I have 3 of them. This is biggest one and it has a real-time clock soldered to back of the board. This one have also real-time clock soldered to the board, and this one have built-in real-time clock chip and the battery to hold time. Small ones are based on Attiny85 chip and the big ones has Arduino Nano as the brain. Big one is practically my old board, multi-Arduino, with a big 1.3 inch display. It have also additional features like alarm, so you can adjust alarm and the device will beep and the built-in LED will flash. On screen you can see time of alarm. You can turn it off with left button. There is also the voltage of battery to monitor battery life, date and temperature. Here is temperature sensor. If I press right button, I can also turn on and off built-in LED, so it can be used as little flashlight. If I press middle button, menu screen appears. In the menu I can set alarms, set contrast, check battery, and there is also a mini calculator. Next board is very small and very simple. It can only show time and date. This board is meant to work on battery, and I used the Arduino low power library to save battery life. The contrast is also very low for the same reason, but it is still very visible at night. It has 3 push buttons, but they are not used in this configuration. Last board is very similar to the previous. It is my favorite one. It has real-time clock chip, battery holder to save time, and of course Attiny85 chip. These headers are for programming. I program it using Arduino Uno. It also has 3 push buttons which are used to set time and the date. Now I will show you how to set time. This one is powered by old phone charger. Phone chargers are usually 5 volts, which is perfect for Attiny85 and this real-time clock chip. I also created this stand for it using acrylic glass. It is not perfect, but it will do the job. I have also planned to put one of these into my computer case. That way it can be powered with 5 volts from PC power supply. That's it. Hope you liked my new boards. If you want one, you can contact me on my email address. I have bunch of these boards and I'm planning to sell couple of these devices. My email will be at the description of the video. Also, if you like this video and these clocks, please subscribe to stay informed. I'm working hard to reach 1000 subscribers and now I'm at the middle of the road, so your subscription will help me a lot. Thank you.